Hey guys, so I'm just going to show you how to sign up for a Brain Genie account. So when you first close the braingenie.ck.12.org, it should look like this. And you're going to hit sign up now, it's free. And of course you're a student. And so you're going to put in your information here. So Ms. Jackson's just going to use an old account. So let's do Jackson. Just to show you what that looks like. Just gonna put in a password. Oh, Miss Jackson is silly. Well, it said username, so I'm just gonna put that for email. And then for my username, I'm putting Madiba student. Alright, please put something unless there's no issue. You can put your first and last name, something. Okay, I'm gonna put my date of birth. You guys were born in 06. So I'm gonna make my birthday 060606. Well, I didn't think that through. Okay, let's make that 060806. And I'll be a girl. So create my account. Might help if I put the 2000 at the 6. Create my account. This is why reading directions is so important. Okay, so this is my generic person. You can change your person, so don't worry about that. What you need to do is hit join a class, right? And you're going to hit the class code provided by me. So if you look Ecology Week 2, I gave you the class code, which is this one right here. I'm just going to copy and paste it. And then I'm going to automatically be in 801's class. So goals. So then you're going to go to goals. This is your goal for this week. This is what we're going to do this week. So Ecology Week 2, this is your teacher. We get 0% progress at this point, right? So you're going to knock these out. I know it looks like a lot, but it's not. There's only like 3 questions for each topic. That's why it looks like a lot. Be mindful that if you're stuck, so if you don't remember mutualism, for example, there's videos to help you. So on top of your notes that Ms. Jackson gave you.
Let's talk about one type of symbiosis called mutualism.
So on top of everything Ms. Jackson provided you with last week, there's also these videos to help you. And it gives you a practice problem, right? And it even gives you the solution to the practice problem so that you can see if you're right. Okay, these are all of the goals that we want to knock out this week. I would pace myself. Or if you're a speedrunner and you want to get everything done at once, you can. It's up to you. You can also do the challenge. But this unit challenge is what we're going to be doing next week. If you want to get a head start, you can. If you want to play games in this unit. So there are games, multiplayer to match living environment and the environment. So you can find the person to play with, and it kind of makes it fun. You don't have to though. These 2 are optional this week. What you really need to work on is getting these goals done, getting these questions done, so I can see what you're still struggling with. Okay, last but not least, I'm going to show y'all how to change this person because it really annoys me. I don't know why, but I feel like you should look like you. So you're going to click on your avatar, and now you can update your avatar. You can make your person a nice little brown girl, brown boy. Right? You can change your shirt, change your eye color, can change your hair. Right? However you feel best describes you. Maybe you feeling like you need purple hair today and some glasses. Boom. Right? You can make it fit you. Please, when you're editing your avatar, please put in your first name and your last name so I know who you are, so I can give you credit. So Miss Jackson's gonna put student test here, but you're gonna put your first name and your last name so I can give you credit for your work. Okay, make sure you hit save profile changes, else it won't be there. And boom. So now your name is there. I see your beautiful avatar. And I'll be able to see when you, not only when you submit, but how long it took you, what it took you. So just let me know if you have any trouble joining this class. This will be how we're going to do some practice work. Because I want to make sure you all are on track for when you go next year to science, that it's a breeze for you. Okay? Have a good day.